Want to turn your static WordPress website into a dynamic hub of information, delivering the latest news right to your visitors? First, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard, and on the left-hand side, click on Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type in RSS Aggregator. We're going to use a plugin that pulls in news feeds from other websites. There are many options, so take some time to read the ratings and reviews before selecting. For this tutorial, we'll use a popular option. Once you find one you like, click Install Now and then Activate. Now navigate to the plugin's settings page. Usually, it's found under a new menu item in your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll add the RSS feed URL of the news website you want to feature. Most news websites provide an RSS feed. Look for an RSS icon on their site, copy and paste the URL into the designated field. It usually has RSS or XML at the end. Next, go to Appearance, then Widgets. This is where we'll add the news feed to your website's sidebar or footer. Find the RSS Aggregator widget you just installed. Drag it into your desired widget area, like a sidebar, then give the widget a title, like Latest News. Configure the widget to control how many news items are displayed, whether to show excerpts, and other display settings. Then click Save. Finally, visit your website to see the news feed in action. Your website is now automatically updated with the latest headlines from your chosen source. Experiment with different plugins, widget settings, and feed sources to create a news section that perfectly complements your content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WordPress tips.